Certainly. Let's go through the setting up a Pi Network account video content idea with more detailed explanations. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Staro Technology. Today, we'll be taking you through the essential steps to set up your Pi Network account and kickstart your journey into mobile mining. Whether you're new to Pi Network or just looking for a refresher, this tutorial will guide you every step of the way. First things first, you need to download the Pi Network app. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Pi Network and look for Pi Network's logo. Once you find it, tap on Install or get to download the app. Now, let's create your Pi Network account. Open the app, and you'll be prompted to sign up. The registration process typically includes entering your phone number, and you'll receive a verification code via SMS. This step is essential to ensure the security of your account. After verifying your number, set up your profile with a profile picture and a username. And of course, don't forget to create a strong and secure password. If you have an invitation code, you can enter it during the setup process. Invitation codes are sometimes shared by existing Pi Network users and can give you a head start. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can use our code HrRobert. And this code also is in this video's description to get started. Pi Network takes security seriously. We recommend enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added protection. Additionally, Pi Network may ask you to complete a Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process. This is a standard procedure in the cryptocurrency world and helps ensure the safety of the network. Once your account is set up, you'll land on your Pi Network dashboard. This is your control center within the app. Here, you can see your Pi balance, your mining rate, and access other features. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and get familiar with its layout. Now, let's get to the exciting part. Mining Pi. To start, simply tap on the lightning bolt icon. This action activates the mining process, and you'll begin earning Pi. Keep in mind that you'll need to tap this button daily to keep the mining process active. To supercharge your Pi earnings, invite friends and family to join Pi Network using your referral code. When they sign up using your code, you'll earn a bonus. It's a great way to grow your Pi balance faster. Before we conclude, a quick security reminder. Always prioritize the safety of your personal information and your Pi assets. Never share your password or private keys with anyone. And be cautious of phishing scams that may impersonate Pi Network. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Pi Network account and start your journey into mobile mining. If you found this tutorial helpful, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more Pi Network content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy mining!